Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give a complete explanation about Infosys started their hiring for freshers from 6.5 LPA and a 9.5, which is going to be a digital and specialist engineering role from all over India. So before going to that, just subscribe and like my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. My humble request, guys, this is what the home page for the recruitment program for Infosys. The main thing you should know: candidate name, email ID, you should keep it with you while applying, resume, photograph, and 10th 12th onboarding school should be there, CGPA and your document verification, PAN card, everything you should keep it with you. And you just want to read out these mandatory things, nothing apart from that, just by clicking this accept, and they will send you email, name, first name and your last name. And after you just want to verify it, before verifying, guys, you just applied once in a 3 months only you can apply it. Without overing 3 months you cannot apply for Infosys. 90 days after completing the first registration and you wrote the exam, you can start apply here. This is what the Infosys started their hiring. So if you have any doubt while filling the form, comment me, I will help you. So you can share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching this, guys.